Hi, my name's Pat with GSM Innovative Products Incorporated. Thank you for watching our installation video, which will show you the proper installation procedures for installing the suspension protection system and the proper installation procedures for our additional product line, cross-member protection system. Of course, all of our products are proudly made in the USA. The Ever-Durable Wear Pads, EWP, is a patented suspension protection system that will greatly reduce or eliminate the need to replace your spring suspension components. The EWP wear pads are produced from an ultra-high wear-resistant plastic that is designed to fit into the original equipment manufacturer, OEM hangers, and equalizers. The wear pad acts as a natural lubricant, cushion, noise reducer, and protector of the suspension. When you think about the suspension protection system, you might think of only the obvious, spring suspensions and trailers. But we also manufacture wear pads that fit the spring components of the air spring configurations. This would include the Rayco 102AR and Peterbilt AirTrack suspension, as well as the Rayco 86AR. Whether it is a tractor, truck, or a trailer, the EWP suspension protection system can protect any type of suspension that is fitted with spring components. For the owner of the EWP suspension protection system, it will reduce maintenance cost, downtime, and noise. It protects the structural integrity of the entire unit by acting as a cushion that absorbs vibrations. Fleets have actually reported a reduction in spring breakage by up to 95%. EWP wear pads outlast a steel wear pad by 4 to 1. They eliminate the steel-to-steel friction and wear. For the repair shops and distributors that recommend the EWP suspension protection system, it will help build customer loyalty. When you support cost savings for the customer and look out for their best interest, your customer base will grow. There are many different EWP wear pad styles to choose from that will specifically coordinate and fit into your OEM hanger and equalizer. This includes, but is not limited to, major brands such as Hutch, Rayco, Propar, Binkley, and Evely. Refer to our parts catalog when determining the correct EWP wear pad for your OEM part. Remember, this is not a one wear pad fits all product. Each OEM hanger and equalizer must be fitted with its coordinating EWP wear pad. Cute. Included with each wear pad are installation instructions and a bolt kit. The installation instructions are specific to each wear pad and should be followed to ensure proper installation. The bolt kit includes all hardware needed to install the wear pad to the OEM part. The hardware should be used to ensure that the strength and durability standards needed to secure the EWP wear pads in place are met. Safety first. Always use OSHA-approved trailer lifts and blocking when raising or working under any tractor or trailer. OSHA guidelines should be followed at all times. Before you install the EWP wear pads, now would be a good time to inspect the mechanical components of the suspension. Make sure the suspension is in good working condition. This would include spring saddles, torque arm bushings, and equalizer bushings. The suspension also should be fitted with the correct springs for the application, as well as making sure the suspension is level. Remember that a level and properly aligned suspension will assure that you will get the maximum life out of the EWP wear pads. When we talk about the suspension being level, we are also talking about equipping the entire unit with the wear pads. We recommend that the wear pads be installed at all spring contact points to ensure a level suspension. If you choose not to install them in the entire suspension, it may cause the suspension to be unlevel and cause improper wear to the wear pads. EWP stickers are provided to place on the rear of the unit that has the installed wear pads. They act as a reminder to inspect the suspension. Routine inspections should be performed to ensure that the wear pads are in place. The yellow color of the part makes it visible for the technician during inspection or the driver on his daily walk-around. By the way, next time you're speccing out a new piece of equipment, don't forget to ask to have the EWP suspension protection system installed right at the factory. Experience the protection of EWP right from the start of your equipment's life cycle. Now we're ready to install our first equalizer, and we'll do a brief overview for this. It's actually very important that you follow the specific installation instructions for each of the equalizer wear pad numbers. The drilling location of each OEM equalizer needs to be followed closely. The bolt installation for the EWP equalizer wear pads actually vary. Installation procedures must be followed to ensure that the wear pad stays in the proper position and that the wear pad performs to its maximum potential. Here we are with the tools that we'll need for proper installation of the wear pad. First, we need a drill motor and a 3/8 drill bit. Now, it's imperative to use only a 3/8 drill bit. We have a white marking pen. Okay, white shows up good on the black background. We have this for measuring, the square. 9/16 box wrench, 3/8 ratchet, 9/16 deep well, and an impact gun. So these are all the tools that we'll need. Let's get started. Now we're on to the preparation of the OEM equalizer. It's recommended that existing wear pads, protection products, old existing welds, and fasteners be removed before installation of the EWP wear pads. If the wear pad is installed over a sharp object, it may cut into the wear pad and cause the wear pad to be damaged. If you choose to install the wear pads over an old steel-style wear pad, there must be no sharp edges. The EWP equalizer wear pad hole placement must be marked and drilled for each wear pad. You will use the hole in the fender washer from the bolt kit as a guide to mark the wear pad for hole drilling. First, you must turn the wear pad so that the hooked edge is facing up, which we have. Locate the inside flat edge of the wear pad, which is right here. Place the fender washer on the inside flat edge of the wear pad. I've already pre-measured it here, so there we go. Make your mark right in the middle of the 2 3/4 inch wide part. I believe that comes to 1 3/8. Mark your drill hole position. We're going to use black on this because it's very easy to see. Remove and set the washer aside until bolt installation. And we're going to move on and drill the marked hole location with a 3/8 drill bit. As always, we want to be safe, so remember to always wear your safety glasses for any type of power equipment. Here we go. Okay, this is properly drilled right in the center. We're ready to put this on our equalizer. Each OEM equalizer needs to have a hole drilled in it in order to attach the wear pad. Do not use pre-drilled holes that may be in the OEM equalizer from the manufacturer. Hole size needs to be exact. Therefore, if an OEM equalizer has an existing hole in it, you still must drill a bolt hole for the EWP wear pad. First thing we're going to do is measure the center here, which is 1 7/8. So we're going to make that mark. And then this is a Hutch equalizer, so we are going to measure up 5.5 inches per our instructions. So let's give it a cross here. That's our center, so that's where we're going to drill our hole. We're going to the proper placement of the equalizer wear pad into an OEM equalizer, and this is the HE wear pad. The equalizer wear pad needs to be placed properly into the OEM equalizer. Slide the flat edge of the equalizer wear pad that has the drilled hole into the OEM equalizer. Make sure that the hooked edge of the wear pad is facing up. There we go. Line up the wear pad drilled hole and the OEM equalizer drilled hole. And since this is an HE, we install the bolt by placing the threads of the bolt down through the top of the OEM equalizer hole and completely through the wear pad hole. Okay, that will hold up there. Now what you want to do is make sure you got your washer and your self-locking nut. Go underneath there. And make sure that the washer is directly on the wear pad. We're going to finger tight this as much as we can. Put our 9/16 box wrench on it. And there we go, proper installation. All right, so here you have properly installed HE wear pads. You can see the washers on the inside there. Fasten through the top. There you go. It's ready to be put on the trailer.